Our delightful journey of baking a classic chocolate cake from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned home baker or just starting your culinary adventure, this guide is crafted just for you. Let's begin by gathering our ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of flour, a cup of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, prepare a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a cup of boiling water. Now, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure your cake bakes evenly. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Stir these dry ingredients together, creating a rich, chocolatey base. Next, add the milk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract to the dry mixture. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, luscious batter. This is where the magic begins, as the ingredients blend to create a symphony of flavors. Here's a little tip from my own baking journey. Adding boiling water at this stage might seem unusual, but it helps to bloom the cocoa, enhancing the chocolate flavor. Pour in the boiling water and mix until the batter is silky smooth. Carefully pour the batter into a greased baking pan. The anticipation builds as you place it in the oven. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. As the cake bakes, the kitchen fills with the comforting aroma of chocolate, a scent that always brings back fond memories of baking with family. Once baked, allow the cake to cool completely. This patience pays off, ensuring your cake is moist and ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, a homemade chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. Remember, baking is not just about following a recipe, it's about creating moments and memories. Thank you for joining us on this baking adventure. We hope this tutorial has inspired you to explore more in your kitchen. Don't forget to share your creations with us on YouTube and Instagram. Happy baking!